Hi kids, welcome to Mr. Wonder and You Rhymes and Stories.
Hello friends, how are you all? Today we will work a lot together on the farm, but first we will take some new cows to the cowshed. Ready for an adventure? You bet! Let's go! You're so soft and gentle. I love petting you. All right, cows, into the cart. Good job. Stand steady. Let's go. Hold on, everyone. Here we go. Whee, this is so much fun. Look at the cows go. Hold on, cows. Here we go. Vroom, vroom. Let's roll. Whee, this is fun. Okay, open up. Go on, out you go. Now it's time to feed the cows. Hey, this is fun. All right, buddy, let's get this in the cart. Ooh, I help. Great job. Ready for this one, buddy? Let's go. Great job, partner.
Here you go.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Now it's time to clean our tractor. Look, friends, our tractor has become so dirty. Come, friends, let's clean the tractor together. Scrub, 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 you're getting so clean. Look at all these bubbles. Hey, look at all that foam. Time for a bath, buddy. You're getting so clean. Come, friends. Now let's go together to bring corn from the field. Got another one. Come, friends, let's all feed the ducklings together. Here you go, little ducklings. You're so hungry. Good job.